So hi girls, welcome back to a new tutorial. So today I'm gonna share with you this yarn and the project we're gonna do with this. This yarn is 20% wool and it's Aran yarn. I bought this from UK, London, and I bought two different colors. I initially had the idea of making a sweater, but I'm changing to an easier project so you can achieve it, and also I can achieve it quickly. So stay tuned to see how we're going to turn this into a nice and easy project. So for this project, as per the yarn label, and it's asking me to use 5 millimeter hook crochet, 5 millimeter crochet hook or 6 UK size, but I'm using a slightly higher one, which is 5.5 millimeter hook. Okay, the zooming is bad. Anyway, 5.5, and the making is simple. I'm gonna start by making 63 chains. I'll put how to make a chain in the description box and how to make a single crochet for any beginners. So I'm gonna make 63 chains and then I'll start with single crochet. I'm gonna do single crochet for the entire work until my ball is over, and then I'm gonna do the same for the second one. So one thing we need to do so we don't lose track of our counting, you make 63 with a green, and again you go and start 63 with a brown as well, because you might forget later on the number of chains, and your project will turn not in the equal size or equal number, and then it's hard to finish. So equally work them together, separately of course, so you get the right number and the right sizing as well. So I have made, as I said, 63 chains, and then I have made a row of single crochet, and it's identical number. Both of my work is the same width so far. So I'm gonna continue making single crochet until the end of my project, and I'll tell you later how many rows I have achieved with each ball. Okay, so here are the two pieces. I have finished crocheting them, and they're equal, two colors, and now I'm gonna start stitching the middle. So I'll fold them in half and then I'll stitch the middle, and stitch only half of the piece, like this side half, and then I'll leave the other half open so it looks like a cape. And these two pieces, each one is 139 centimeters. I'm not sure how many rows I ended up doing because there are too many. As you can see, they're very tall. And then as I said, I'll stitch them. I'll show you how I'll stitch them in the next step, and then how it looks like with a final look. So just follow the rest of the video. So here I finish my last row, and I'm gonna leave a long thread. So this was my last stitches. So instead of starting a new work, I'll just leave a long tail so I can sew this side together. Not very long, just enough to sew the sides together. Okay, and I'll fasten off here. I'll just pull my thread first. And my piece is secured. And the sewing part is normal, like the normal sewing. There is no special technique in it. It's just you have to make sure they're well aligned together. So ensuring these two sides are aligned together like so. I'm gonna start the sewing, making sure everything is aligned, as I said, together. I'll go a bit faster with this to see the end result. Just the sewing side, when I sew this one, this is the inside of the cape, it's not the outside, so the outside looks neat and tidy. So as you can see here, I have finished stitching the half side together, and now the last step, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna iron my piece so it gets soft and even. How I'm gonna iron this, using a cotton cloth on top of my piece. I'm gonna pass the steam iron until it's soft, so I don't iron straight on the piece, but I'll put a cotton cloth on top of it, and then we'll end this video.